I've been teaching Spanish as a second language to many students of all ages and various levels for 15 years. My experience has allowed me to adopt a unique method that is very effective. First of all, we tend to internalize only what really interests us, which is why maintaining a student's interest throughout the teaching process is key. I have observed that children have many more interests than adults, which places them in an advantageous position in language learning. I have also observed that when we are adults, our interests tend to be more refined, which can narrow our ability to learn other languages. What does this mean? This means that if you really want to learn a new language, you should return to that innate learning ability by opening your mind to many things such as history, technology, music, and culture, but in the target language. How does one put this into practice? Learning a new language through stories. From a basic level to an advanced level allows students to learn, converse, and eventually think in the target language. Second of all, the characteristics of each student must be evaluated and the teaching method must be catered to suit each individual. For example, it may be difficult for someone with an introverted personality to speak and express himself in a foreign language. It can be daunting for a student to write a paragraph or an essay in a new language when his skills are speaking and listening. The common pedagogy of complicated impractical lessons often discourages students to the point of giving up altogether. To overcome this problem, a learner must be supported in his areas of strength by a teacher who can discover his strengths and apply them to help the student advance rapidly in his learning. For instance, if a student has good communication skills, the teacher may motivate him through short stories. On the other hand, if the student has good listening skills, long and entertaining stories may be more beneficial. A student with good writing skills can be motivated to write his own stories with careful guidance from the teacher. I invite you all to take my classes and actively begin to experience learning the Spanish language through literature.
Be the best, be the best, be the best that you can be. Become bilingual and learn Spanish with you will educate. Be the best, learn Spanish here and there. So why don't you come over and learn Spanish right away?